Let's do some fun stuff together, guys. It's Prime Day. Look at that. So supposedly you put this on your phone, and it turns it into a microscope. So you have the little stickies. I'm not going to stick it to my phone because obviously I want to be able to take it off. Comes with this right here. The cable and all. Okay. Alright. Who needs instructions, right? I don't. Let's try her. Oh, cool. It comes right on. Hold on. Oh, here's the on button. That'd be good, right? Oop. She's on. Clip her on. Okay. I'm assuming I have to... Ah! Okay, let's see. Is this gonna work for my phone? I hope so. Okay, we're on. I think we're on. It's not pushing any buttons, so that's good. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Alright, so I probably should read the instructions, I'm sure, because it has to hook up to your phone. Probably wirelessly to work. How'd you get in here? Oh, the camera? Hi, babe. My husband just hacked my camera. How do I do this? Ah. Okay, I'll figure it out. Is there an app? Do I need to download an app? More info. Battery capacity 2 hours. Alright, let's just go to the camera and see if there's anything I need to do. No, there's definitely something I need to do. Oh, there we go. Nope, now I'm just completely off it. Hold on. I'm definitely not doing something right. What am I doing? Let's see. I gotta read the instructions better. Lens structure. But I feel like I can't read these instructions. They're in different languages. Hold on. We got this. Oh, here we go. Quick stretch. Okay. Here we go. We got this. Alright. Here's the instructions. I found them. Oh, wow. Wait. Other instructions. Here we go. To charging port, connect the other USB to power source. Drawing, charging, lenses, ammo. Please use the EVA pad, fill grip to phone. Huh. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. I got this, guys. Who needs instructions? I don't. Okay. I got this. So, what this does is really makes it simple and easy to make your phone into, like, a microscope. But you have to sync in and do all this stuff, so I am going to wait to do this. But here it is, so you guys can see it. I'm not going to try to sit here on the live and try to figure it out. I got to sit and read the instructions a little bit